Welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can apply an e-visa to travel to Afghanistan on your mobile device. Before I proceed further, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. So guys, in front of you I have opened this e-Afghan portal. Here they have defined the steps how you can get. The very first thing you should do is to check your eligibility, then log in into your visa portal after registration, complete identity verification, fill the form, pay the fee, and if granted, you are all good to go. Now, so we'll go through this, okay, and let's see the eligibility criteria first, okay. So this gives you 30 days from date of entry, single entry, and 90 days it gets expired after issued. Select your nationality here, whatever it is. Let's say you are an Indian national, for example. Country of residence, let's say you are an Indian national living in India. You are not eligible, okay. But if you are living in other country, for example, let's say you live in Canada, you are eligible. Wow. Country of residence, you can proceed with your online e-visa application. Perfect. So let's say continue. But before I do that, required documents: electronic passport, colored photograph, national identification card, itinerary, accommodation proof. Okay, fine. And they have like uh, frequently asked questions too, okay, that you can ask. Okay, like are there any additional fee, can I pay another? Okay, all right, so all such questions are there. You can check that, but I am going to proceed with the process. Okay, so we are here. So the very first thing you should do if you come here for the first time is to tap on create an account, register. So first email address and continue. I'm going to do that. So what it does, it sends an email verification with a code. If you have not received, tap on request a new email. So that email is gonna having a verification code. So copy that, paste here and tap on confirm. Then on the next page, first name, last name, email address, contact number, country of residence, nationality, date of birth, password, and create an account. So I'm gonna do this and then I'm gonna see you guys. So after you create your account, you can put your email address and password and log in. Okay, so I'm gonna do this and then I'm gonna see you guys. So on login page, you will see like start your visa application, start your express visa application. This is to fast track and this is for regular. So I go for regular. They have given you guidelines about the visa photo general guideline. So go for next. Specification also given. So go for next. Wow. Next. Okay. You can use the photo tool to verify your photo. Otherwise, if you are sure, just click on continue. So this application is for, I select myself, passport detail issued at expiry date. Do that and tap on continue. I'm gonna do this and I'm gonna put sample, but you do actual value. Okay, now personal detail you can modify. Okay, now put all your details as per your case. I'm putting sample, but do it as per your case. Country of birth, okay, I'll just put matter status, single. Do it as per your own case, guys. Male. Next. So this is contact details, current address, email address, phone number. Do it and then go to the next. Next is employment detail, occupation, employer name, address, previous employer name, previous employer address. So if last two questions are not relevant, just put any. Okay, so I'm going to put some sample and I'm going to tap on it. Okay, type tourist, purpose I select holiday, entry date, remember within 90 days. So let's say April 5 year. Wow. Number of days I put 10. Places in Afghanistan you visit, complete address. So let's say you have to book the hotel, so put the detail, and place in Afghanistan. It's not a mandatory question, but why to hide it? Put asking, have you applied for Afghanistan before? Do you have a criminal record? I select no. Do you have a sponsor? I select no. Whatever you have, and then tap on next. Next is to confirm your passport details. So do it as per your case. I have just put samples. Now with the documentation, it's asking you to upload photo, passport, ID card copy, other documents. Next is to review and then submit. Of course, I'm not going to do that, but you got an idea how to do this. So this is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.